How to turn off notification on Spender. Are you guys facing issues to turn off notification on Spender application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn off notification on your Spender application, first of all, open Settings on your mobile device. After you open the settings, just simply head over to the app section. After you click on app section, just simply search for Spender application. Click on it. After you click on it, you will be able to see this option for notifications. Tap on notifications. Now, you are looking to turn off notification, right? Just simply toggle this option. After you toggle it off, you won't be able to get notification from Spender app. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to turn off notification on Spender application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.